everybody. How are you today? Today we are going to talk about grammar. Our objectives today are: number one, how to use count and non-count nouns. Number two, how to use the expressions of quantity, some, and any. Let's start, please. Count and non-count nouns. Count means المعدود. Non-count means الغير معدود. Count nouns name things that you can count. For example, 1 cart, 2 carts, etc. They have singular and plural forms. So here we have singular count nouns and plural count nouns. Singular count nouns, as you see here, a burger, an egg. Plural count nouns, 2 burgers and 3 burgers. So count nouns, nouns that I can count. But non-count nouns name things that you cannot count. For example, rice, tea. They don't use a or an. They don't have plural forms. Some nouns can be count or non-count. For example, a salad or some salad. A soup or some soup. Expressions of quantity, some and any. Use some in affirmative statements. Use any in negative statements and in questions. Use some and any with non-count nouns and with plural nouns. Note here that we can use some with affirmative statements, but use any with negative and questions. The last one, use some and any with non-count nouns and with plural nouns. Let me explain, please. Here we have affirmative, negative, and questions. We have affirmative, negative, and questions. Start with affirmative. There is some juice. There are some fries. Here we use some because we have affirmative statement. We don't have negative. So I cannot use any with these sentences. The next one is negative. There isn't any juice. There aren't any fries. Here we use any because we have isn't and aren't. So these are negative statements. Questions: is there any juice? Are there any fries? Here also we use any because we have questions with is there any juice? Are there any fries? So we use some with affirmative and we use any with negative and questions. Sometimes some is used in questions for offers. For example, do you want some pizza? How about some coffee? Here we use some with the questions. As I told you that we use any with the question, but here because we have offer, we use some. So if the question offers something, use some. Question number 1. Mark the nouns with C for count or N for non-count. Here we have the words. Number 1, ice cream. Number 2, potatoes. Number 3, eggs. Number 4, cheese. Number 5, chocolate. Number 6, vegetables. Number 7, sandwiches. Let's start, please. Start with ice cream. Ice cream is excellent, non-count noun. Number 2, potatoes. Potatoes is no, excellent, countable nouns because I can count potato. Number 3, eggs. Eggs, excellent, eggs is countable noun. Number 4, cheese. Cheese. Cheese is count or non-count? Not count, strong, excellent. It's non-count noun. Number 5, chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate is it countable or non-count? Excellent, non-count. Number 6, vegetables. Vegetables. Vegetables is excellent, countable noun. Number 7, sandwiches. 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 Is it count or non-count? Excellent, count. Thank you so much, brilliant. Exercise number 2. Complete the sentences. Use a or some. Here we have sentences, 8 sentences. Number 1, I'd like space cheese sandwich and space soft drink. I'd like, is it some or a? Excellent. A cheese sandwich and not some, excellent. A soft drink. Number 2, would you like space French fries with your stick? Would you like? Excellent. Some French fries with your stick. Number 3, I want space burger with space onions. I want, excellent, a burger with, excellent, some onions. Number 4, can I have space chicken and space green salad? The first space, is it a or some? Excellent, some chicken and excellent, a green salad. Number 5, I'd like space piece of cheesecake for dessert. I'd like space piece of cheesecake for dessert. The correct answer here is it some or a? No, excellent. A piece of cheesecake for dessert. Number 6, I'd like space eggs and space cup of coffee. The first one, a, no, some, excellent, brilliant, and a cup of coffee, excellent. How about turkey sandwiches for lunch? How about space turkey sandwiches for lunch? Excellent, some turkey sandwiches. And number 8, I'm thirsty. May I have a glass of water? May I have space glass of water? Here we have what? A or some? Brilliant. A glass of water.